Namaste students, myself Dr. Kundan Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Agat Tantra एवं विधि वैद्यता, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, today we will learn about the another new concept that is starvation. First of all, what is starvation? Starvation is the result of the actual deprivation of the food of or administration of unsuitable food. The body reserve sources are depleted. The result is substantial weight loss, wasting away of the body's tissue and eventually death. These are the starved children which are seen like this. The starvation type. There are about five types are grossly divided starvation, which are first of all acute, then chronic starvation, then suicidal starvation, then homicidal, and after that accidental starvation. Then types. First of all, acute. It is the sudden and complete stoppage of the food. Second is chronic starvation, where the gradual deficient food supply of the to the person. Then suicidal. It is due to some causes. Then homicidal. It is illegitimate child or daughter-in-law. They are the one child which is starved uh, by stoppage of the food given to her. Then after the accidental starvation, here during mass disaster like famine, food, earthquake, mine collapse, or the drug addict, or the insane, etc. leads to the starvation. Then after sign and symptoms of the starvation. Here the hunger pain in the stomach, feeling of hunger, loss of thirst, hunger and thirst is intense. Here the loss of body weight, emaciation, body breakdown into its own muscles, and the victim appears pale due to nutritional anemia, skin thin, dry, wrinkled and pigmented, lips dry and cracked, cheeks hollow, eyes sunken and glistening, abdomen is concave, legs and arms like broomstick. Then after the hair become dry, lusterless, then nail brittle, tongue dry, coated with the thick fur, voice weak and whispering, pulse and BP fall due to cardiac atrophy, body is the offensive odor, then urine scanty and deeply colored, then unable to speak and move, also the vitamin deficiency. These are the starvation people. Then after fetal period, the length of the time a person can survive depends upon the age, sex, environmental and health condition. The very young and aged suffer more from starvation. Female can withstand starvation better than male because of more fat in the body. Healthy can withstand starvation better than the sick and obese better than lean. Then after cycle of starvation. Here first of all weight loss and behavior due to food restriction and exercise leads to weight loss, which after that leads to the positive reinforcement, pursuit of rewarding outcome. Okay. Also, the repetition of behavior of the starvation and malnourished person leads to the positive reinforcement. Okay. Then after disorder related to stimulus gain, incentive salience leads to repetitive of the repetition of the behavior and which further lead to negative enforcement. Okay. Then after compulsive weight loss is due to the repetition of behavior, that is synaptic change in the TA pathway over the time. Also, the weight loss behavior due to compulsive weight loss habit also occurs. Then after causes of death, here the death is due to the exhaustion, circulatory failure and infection. PM findings. Here the external PM findings are emaciation, loss of weight, skin is pale, bead sores, eyes dry, red and shrunken, cheeks are hollow, hair, nail are dry, bones shows osteomalacia, stress, fracture, and ricket, while the internal PM findings like muscle atrophied and dark, fat, pale, and soft, then heart small empty brown atrophy, lung is pale and collapse, stomach and small intestine thin wall, then liver atrophied, gallbladder distended with bile, spleen shrunken, kidneys atrophied, blood volume decreases, also anemia, urinary bladder empty. These all are the postmortem findings of the starvation. This shows the brown atrophy of the heart. Then medical legal questions like whether the death is caused by the starvation or whether it was due to suicidal, homicidal, or accidental. Then how the India has changed over these years. Here about maximum starvation. Okay, due to child stunting. It is uh, global hunger index of 2019. Okay, um, here India is about 102 rank in the starvation and score is of 30.3, okay, which is a very bad condition for the children's in the India. Here most of the children in the tribal areas are died due to starvation, okay. Here the condition are still deteriorate, okay. In 2000 about undernourished people, undernourished population are 18.2. In 2005, it is maximum. Okay. Then this is slightly decreased in this graph. In the 2019, it is about 14.5. Uh, Slight improvement in this graph. Then child wasting in is 20.8, 20.8% people, which is very bad condition. Also, the child stunting also decreases. It is now about 37.9 in 2019. Also, the child mortality also decreases. It is 3.9 in 2019. Thank you, students.